So hi guys, I'm back with another video and another opportunity and these jobs are for the person who are going to pass out in 2026. And let's move forward with the application, and I will uh, add the link in the description so you can go and easily apply to it. And let's move forward. First opportunity is from the Walmart. So Walmart Software Engineer Internship 2026, which include AI, cloud, and full stack development roles. Let's move forward with the skills. So Python, Java, CPP, JavaScript, data structure, algorithm, and system design, GitHub, Copilot, and Kudo, Merges, and DX, AI chat. All of these are the requirements. And for your role, so you are going to be solving the complex problem and an unmatched global scale. And also uh, as an engineer, you will work on next generation system across AI, ML, cloud computing platform, and supply chains, and also contributing to cutting the edge of digital initiative that refines how people shop, work, and live with strong focus and data-driven insight, scalable architecture, and real-time decision making. So all of this you are going to do over there. So I will add the link in the description. Just hit on the apply button and go for it. Let's move on to the second opportunity. The second opportunity is from Qualcomm, and this is 2026 campus hire engineering software, as well as it's in the Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Let's go for the job description. So let's see the summary over there. Yeah. So campus grade will be working on the following areas like development, real-time embedded software and devices, and mobile software development for Windows Mobile and Android and Linux. And you should have a good understanding of OS concepts and data structure, etc., as well as C and CPP and object-oriented design. Also, wireless network standards such as CDMA, GSMA, and Linux driven and Kubernetes protocols and such as TCP, UDP, IP, SIP, RDP, etc., and multi technologies including audio, video, image, and excellent analytic and problem solving, ability to collaborate and work in a team. All of these are the requirements. Just go for it and read it in more depth if you want to. Then minimum qualification required from your side is bachelor degree in computer science and engineering and information system and computer science and related field, as well as education is master or bachelor in computer science and engineering, and communication engineering or ECE would be applicable. So yeah, all of these are the requirements. Go and hit the apply button for applying for this job. Let's move out for the very third opportunity, which is in software engineering role from the company Nice. Let's look forward for the description. So there is no description. Yeah, there is description about this is about the Nice. So you can just go and apply for this job role. And yeah, this is all from my side, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, because this will motivate me to create more such a video for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much.